In the Be Smart package, you'll find 4 zip ties, a charger, your Beebot device, and a user manual. Please make sure to follow the instructions in the manual while installing the device. A copy will be also available in your Beebot dashboard. We start by unscrewing the back panel. Once you lift the back panel, you'll find the battery. In order to turn on the Beebot, plug in the battery's connector. The Beebot is now active and transmitting data to the cloud. Now screw the back panel in and you're ready to install your Beebot device. The Beebot can easily fit into any commercially available Beehive frame. You can install it on a frame you're currently using by cutting out a rectangle the size of the Beebot from the base. You can place it horizontally or vertically. For the purpose of this demonstration video, we're going to use a simple frame with no base on it. Use the provided zip ties to secure the Beebot in place. You don't need more than 2 zip ties if you decide to put it horizontally. Once you're finished, you can cut off the ends of the zip ties. Your Beebot is now ready to be placed in the Beehive.